This is for water sign. You do have here the Queen of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, I like your energy here. Nakikita natin, money is, you know, maybe you're already successful. Yung iba sa inyo, yung money is paparating pa lang, or maybe may mga awards ka nang nakuha, yeah, I can see some kind of display ng awards mo. Oh. So, achievements, yan. You have achieved something. And you do have the High Priestess. You are also a person na magaling or spiritually developed. No? Yung mind mo might be may mga mystery ka ring alam. And some of you, ginagagamit mo itong angking galing mo sa spiritual pagdating dito sa iyong career. Okay? As simple as, you know, pag may mga makakausap ka na tao, kliyente or what, ramdam mo na sa kanila if kailangan mong mag-waste ng time sa kanila, or you feel like may hindi mag-a-approve or hindi mag-okay or hindi ko to dapat pirmahan. So, some of you nakakaramdam ng ganun. And you are using this lakas ng pakiramdam mo and intuition mo pagdating sa ganitong bagay. So, nag-guide mo ang sarili mo din. Or maybe you are using, you know, itong tarot readings na maybe kahit itong pinapanood mo sa social media, sa YouTube, TikTok, yan, yung mga napapanood mong tarot readings or astrological reading, whatever, na nagagamit mo rin ito as a guide para bago gumawa ng isang hakbang. Okay, lalo na pagdating sa iyong career. So, tell me about the person that you are dealing with. Water sign. Four of Swords is here. Okay, this person is not doing anything. This person is like, could be dealing with someone who is broke, or, you know, medyo malaki ang pagkakaiba ninyo nitong person na to. This person loves to, you know, sleep, have fun, you know. Yun lang ang pwedeng itinatakbo nitong taong to. You know, iba yung approach niya sa life, wherein you have a lot of goals, you have a lot of, you know, maybe you have a lot of power. Tapos itong person na to is like wala siyang, could be a person na magaling mag-daydream, pero medyo ligaw itong person na to. And one more thing about this person is that pwedeng magastos din siya. May pagka magastos din siya. So, pag nagkapera siya, mabilis siyang maubusan dahil magastos siyang tao. So, anyway, water sign. Let's talk about your emotions. Both of your emotions sa connection na ito. You do have here the Two of Wands. Yeah, you do have plans. The Nine of Swords. Ang problema mo is itong taong to, no? Nai-stress ka sa kanya, naiinis ka sa kanya, because you do have the Star and the Hermit. Some of you, ginagawa mo yung best mo to reach your goals, your dreams, no? Maybe you are a person na you want more in life, kahit na may mga achievements ka na, may mga napatunayan ka na, or what, you are, you know, you want more. Sabihin natin ganun. Material possession, you have priorities, and sabihin na natin talagang nasa align ang buhay mo. And this person, nai-stress ka sa kanya kasi bakit parang wala siyang direksyon, bakit parang ganun na lang siya, basta na lang siya, diba? Para siyang bata. And this person, you do have here the Five of Cups and the High Priestess and the Star. So, nalulungkot itong person na to kasi ramdam niya, alam niya kung ano yung tingin mo sa kanya. And there are times na itong person na ito is feeling isolated. Maybe pag magkasama kayo, medyo alam naman niya talaga na mababa siya or mababa ang tingin ng tao sa kanya. Pero ang pangit sa kanya is pinangangatawanan niya. You know what I mean? Parang talagang wala din talagang direksyon ng buhay nitong taon to. Nasasaktan siya sa ganun, pero wala naman siyang ginagawang action para baguhin yung ganong klaseng kaugalian. And this person, marami siyang pangarap. The problem is, this person keeps on dreaming. Diba? Siyempre, pag may pangarap ka, dapat actionan mo. Gagawa ka ng action para ma-reach yung mga goals mo, pangarap mo. Pero sa kanya, wala. Okay? So, yung pangarap niya, hanggang ngayon, pangarap pa rin. Okay? And, what will happen in the future for the both of you? Five of Swords is here, the Ace of Cups, okay. The Moon. And the Fool is here. So, actually, this is an advice for you. Like, I feel like you deserve someone better. If you are in a relationship sa ganitong klaseng tao, why would you waste your time, your energy, your effort sa ganitong tao? The Five of Swords is telling you to cut off, leave the situation, make changes for yourself. May bagong love na naghihintay para sa'yo. And this person is the King of Cups. You deserve the King of Cups. You deserve the Strength card. You deserve a person na magmamatch sa kung ano yung kaya mong gawain. And this person can improve you. No? Hindi lang hindi lang sarili mo ang mag-improve, pati siya and yung connection. And I feel like yung goals mo will be easier to reach pag nakipag-connect ka sa taong ito who is, you know, more than a person na talagang kakonect mo ngayon. More than this person. You deserve someone better. So, ang advice sa'yo is, you know, cut off this person. Wala kang mapapala dito sa person na kakonect mo ngayon. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.